Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about Ansible variables. So if you never used the variables, just let's hear my things what I'm saying. So here I have already created one playbook. In this, I have added the variables. So normally we create a playbook using the things like a name, host, and become. So if it is not a become is not a mandatory, so you can mention this one. If not, no problem. But let's use the variable. So what is the use of variable here? When you use a variable, you can replace the value whenever you require. For example, you have created variables here. There are two variables I have added in this playbook. When coming to our task, it may contains 20 task, 30 task, or it maybe have a complex code, right? But when coming to that, when you want to replace your values every time, that is very hard to replace. But when you go for a variable, you're just going to use the common word in that playbook itself. When you use the key value, when you use that key inside your playbook, right? So see here, I have a greetings, a colon hello. So here this is a key is a greetings, and when coming to value, that is hello. Same like here also I'm using the username. So here key is the user and value is the Vinod. So you can see here, I have used these two variables inside my task here. There are, here I have used greetings, here I have used user. So here I have a simple playbook only. But when it comes to complex environment with your script, you may use it for this greetings alone for 10 times. So consider this situation. So when you want to modify this scenario, you have to replace this greetings alone for 50 places, right? 10 to 50 places if you have used it, then you have to replace for the different scenario, right? So this is not going to happen for your things right now, because it's really complex. For every time you are changing, it may have some issues when you have deploy into the production. So in the such cases, you can go for the variables. So here I have used the variables greetings. For that I have used the value of hello. Same like I have used user, here I have used the value of Vinod. So when coming to our task, I am going to create one file. It is called users.txt under opt directory. And then I'm going to echo the command using my variables alone. And I just registered the value under echo underscore content. And whatever I have echoed, that content I'm going to copy in my users.txt file. Let's see how it's going to execute. So here I'm going to, this is my master machine, and here I have the user called Ansible admin. Here I'm going to create my variable file, which means variables.yaml file I am going to create here. So touch variables.yaml. So I have created this file and I'm going to editing this file, and I just pasting this content. Let's see, do I have any opt folder under users.txt or not before executing this playbook. uh, Once I go to slash opt, you can see here I have only .hello.txt. These two machines are my slave machines, and I don't have any users.txt file under my under my opt directory, right? So let's going to execute this playbook. Let's see how the variable is going to act here. So Ansible playbook variables dot YAML. So here I already configured my host detail, everything. If you see my previous video, you can understand this one. Simple playbook I'm going to execute. We are going to only understand the variables. So right. So let's execute my playbook. So once I executed the playbook, it ensured that my users.txt is whether created or not. If not, it will create and then it will display the content. So once it display the content, which means we can debug that, we can see the display content, but it is not required. And it is going to copy the echo command to my users.txt. So see here, when I do ls, you can see here I have the users.txt and I have printed like hello.vinod, same like for my other machine. So you can see the same. So while I modify this content, let's see what will happen in our script again. So let's edit my variable.yaml file, and coming to my variables here, I'm going to edit it as hello, um, edit it as DevOps. Hello DevOps. I edited as Hello DevOps. And let's execute the playbook again. So the playbook got success, and let's see the thing again. Now see, you can see here now the content has changed like Hello DevOps. So I just only edited the value of user. So now the thing got changed where I have used my variables. I hope this content is helpful, and you can, this is the format you can use. Like, you have to specify your variable under your host details, or become you can specify like a vars colon, under that you can specify n number of variables. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.